Look here, multiple income funnel with 5 income streams. Let me show you that now. First of all, you go to the links. They call them links, but they're actually capture pages. And the reason they call them links is because you have to click on one of these links to be able to use the capture page. And there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Okay, we go back into the system again. And if you look at all the training you get with it, this is all included. First you get weekly training, then you get your marketing system training. Now this is really something. Help you become a better marketer. You don't have to do these all at once. You do one or two or whatever you got time for, and then come back and do another one. But eventually you'll get them all done. Okay, go back into the system again. And you see that 7-step training. Now this one you should do before you get started. First of all, it says lesson 1, which means work on your personality. Lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Then lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. And lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. You don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then when you're in there, you'll see there's a couple of small more bonuses in there. And okay, I'll go back and exit the training. And then you go in there and you see all your teams. Then if you go click on here, once you start advertising, look at all the leads you get, and you get an email with each one. So be sure to follow up. If you want them to work with you, you have to follow up. Yeah, the company follows up, but they want to hear from you. So be sure to follow up. Then you go into resources, and it shows you samples of the emails you can use to follow up. You can use these or use your own, whatever you want, but be sure to follow up. And then you go in here and you see all the web banners you can use to do your advertising. Just look at them all in here. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I send them to. And you go back into here again and you see your social images. Now you use these images to do your social advertising. So all these are great benefits to help you with your advertising. And then you go into Facebook, shows you how to do Facebook posts, shows you where and how to get traffic. And then I got a bonus income stream I'll show you. Well, I might as well show you now. If you, for $1 a day, you get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission and you get another 100 leads a day. So at the end of the month, you could have 6,000 leads, and you can email them every day. It's all included. So what a great opportunity for that price. So be sure to check that out once you're in there. Okay, I think I pretty well showed you everything. So let's say you like all that and you want to get started. Okay, you go to step 1 here. And I'll put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do this presentation. And after you see what a great opportunity is, be sure to join, because it's definitely worth your while. Then you go into, and you got step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in. You're allowed to put 2 of your own in here. And if you don't have any, you could use the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. Then you got step 4, which is at the back office and also traffic authority, where you can get great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years, and Multiple Income Streams has been in business for over 4 years. So these are all legit opportunities. Now, I think I pretty well showed you everything. So take a serious look at it. And I hope you guys are having great weather. We're having great weather this year. And also, thank you for listening. And give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll talk to you next week. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.